In this video, we'll show you how you can create application folders in your Chromebook.
Hi, I am Nicola Graham, one of the co-founders of Simplify Change, who are a business adoption consultancy, here to help you and your teams adopt new products quickly, efficiently, and with a little extra panache. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoy using your Chromebook. Now, let's get into the video.
To create folders, click and hold the application and place it on top of another app you want to create a folder with. This will create a folder. You can name the folder by clicking Name and Typing.
At Simplify Change, it is our mission to change the world of change by bringing you fast, simple and creative solutions that work, so that you can have a successful adoption in any change your organisation is going through. Why not visit our website at www.simplifychange.co.uk and learn more about how we utilise our very own B methodology into our change projects, including training your project teams on how they too can become mini change managers by using our framework. We also talk about how we are gamifying the corporate world with our range of adoption games. Meanwhile, if you would like to learn more about Chromebook and other new technologies and solutions for your organisation, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.